Hello everyone, what's up? This is Rich. I'm going to give you just a few tips here on how to optimize your website for maximum search engine capability. Now, how do we do that? The best way to do this is to look at a website as the way a search engine would, and the best way to do that is with a text-based web browser called Lynx. That's L-Y-N-X. On the Wikipedia, which I just went to, this is the address right here, ian.wikipedia.org/wiki/links_browser. This is a text-based, text-only web browser, and it shows websites with no graphics, no JavaScript, or no anything. So what I'm going to do is I already have the Lynx browser installed here, and this is basically what you get. It's a big black screen, and I hit G. If I go to the PC Mech website, for example, and it loads it up, this is actually what a website would look like to a search engine. It doesn't look like much because it's got nothing but text here, but that's the way we have to do things in order to see things the way that a search engine sees it. If I go to a couple of other websites, for example, like yahoo.com, this is what Yahoo looks like when it's just nothing but text. If I go to Google, same thing, that's it. If I go to Microsoft.com, that's how Microsoft looks. And by the way, when you're using Lynx, you cannot use a mouse. It's got to be all text. You scroll up and down using your insert and delete keys. To go to a website, you hit G for go, and then type in the address. And as you can see here, the content exists, but without any images or anything like that. If you go to your website and it looks blank, or there's no text being displayed here, then the search engine's not going to read anything because it's nothing to read. You can't read images. This is my personal website here, and as you can see, for a blog, it has lots of text that search engines can just consume and index later, which is great. To get links, let me just bring this back up here. If we go to that Wikipedia site, which is the Lynx browser, at the very bottom, we've got the Lynx for Windows installer, which goes to a website, csant.info/links. If we scroll all the way to the bottom, there's a link right here, 2.8.5 installer for Windows. It's a zipped file, so you just unzip it and then you run it, and then you've got your Lynx browser, so you can test your website to see if it's got text search engines can consume or not. And that's basically it. If you have more text, it's more the search engines can read, the greater your chances are of your website actually getting indexed by having text to read to begin with.